Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the back middle holder on your Samsung dishwasher. The middle back rail holder is responsible for keeping the rail bracket onto the rail roller. If the back rail holder is damaged or broken, the center dish rack may not stay on the dishwasher properly and may hit the tub of the dishwasher and damage it. If you need to purchase a new middle back rail holder for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. This repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Pull the middle dish rack forward. Now, lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Then, pull it forward as far as it will go and lift it up to clear the second set of wheels. The middle back rail holder is located here. Depressing the locking tab, pull the back of the rail holder towards the back of the dishwasher to remove it. If you need to purchase a new middle back rail holder, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. To install, align the back rail holder to the rail bracket and press into place. Align the top wheel on the center rack to the rail on the dishwasher at an angle. Then, rotate the front of the center rack down, ensuring the wheels slide into place. Finally, push the dish rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.